You guys see this nice looking boy here? Watch doesn't fit, doesn't even have the full suit, full on Pokimane simp. This is what happens when you spend all of your money on RMR capsules. Subscribe to the channel and like the video to help him out. Okay boys, here's the deal. So I've opened up probably 300 of these RMR capsules and I've not gotten a single gold sticker. Nothing. All of these capsules, nothing good. If I go to my RMR sticker capsule, here's a ton that I opened up recently. No golds here. Not a single gold. So, how about we open up these capsules until I get one? I don't care if I go bankrupt opening up these capsules. I am going to get a gold sticker. That is how this is going to go. I don't care how much money goes into it, we're gonna keep going. So here we go, the Steam market is down, I can't buy anything, just CSGO is broken. So we're gonna have to take these capsules out of my inventory. I lose money on pretty much all of these capsules because I bought them when they were full price. So might as well get rid of them and open them. I'm wearing my Lakers hat, should be a lucky hat, they won a championship. So this should be my time to get a gold sticker. This should be when I finally get it. So I'm going to open up these capsules. Here goes capsule number 1. And I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to keep buying until I get that one elusive gold sticker. I don't care what it is. I'm just going to go. So cue the time lapse now. This is going pretty much how I expected so far. Okay, it's looking bad. It's looking pretty bad. We still got quite a few left, but it's looking bad. Please, at least a foil, something. There's a foil. It's not the gold I want. There's at least a foil. There's something. So close. Please. How many times? How many times? Bro. Just one gold sticker. That's all I need. I don't care what it is. Just something. There it is! One gold sticker! I finally got a gold sticker. How many capsules was that? I took out 87. So we've got 1, 7, math, 15, 22, 29, 36, 37, 38, 39. Math. It's under 50 48 capsules. 40. So that was 350 capsules for one gold sticker. How much is this thing worth? Nothing? 10 bucks? Oh, gotta enter my code. Oh yeah, nothing's loading. Okay, I'll put the price somewhere, but oh my god. I finally got a gold sticker after like 350 capsules. You see all of these here, no golds here. And then you go to RMR. Where is the storage unit? Right down here. You have all of these stickers, the investments I made. Keep going. Keep going. And those stickers. And I sold most of these. I sold everything that wasn't garbage. So, man, that must have been like 350 capsules just to get one gold sticker. I thought I was going to be here for hours. I thought this video was going to lose me so much money. But look at that. Look at that. Finally. Finally.